Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped on 2022. So simply just go and open the store that you are using, and of course you'll need to go and download Spotify into your phone. Of course, you can do that through a Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then just go and open your Spotify. Then of course you'll need to log in into it if you are not logged in into it, or if you don't have an account you'll need to go and create your account. Then you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. Of course, here as you can see, I have your 2022 Wrapped is ready. But of course, for you, if you didn't see it here, simply there's two tricks to do that. Simply, first of all, you will need to go to your store and search for any updates on the application. So of course, if you find them, make sure to update your Spotify and you go back here and you will certainly find it. Of course, if you didn't find it here and you update it, or you don't even have an update, I'm going to share with you the trick that I used and worked for me. Simply just go and turn off your phone, then turn it back on, and that will certainly sorry, so that will certainly give you some updates on your store. Or you will need just to go directly to your Spotify and you will find here your 2022 Wrapped is ready. Of course, when you click on it, you will see your Spotify 2022 Wrapped is ready. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.